Nasdaq 100 and US30 almost trading flat where we left the last week on the weekend, and now it is trading almost at the same levels with close to 0.2% rise. With now what will happen today, where to enter, where to exit, which position we should take, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. So do watch till the end, do listen to the commentary carefully, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next update on Nasdaq 100 and US30 will be uploaded just before the US cash session. So do watch that also. Now look at the hourly chart. Before I come to the daily charts, let's start the day with the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, you can clearly see there is a downside support at around 12,500 levels. With the support at 12,500, we have previously seen multiple candles giving it a support at 12,500. Now look at this, it is trying to give lower highs and higher lows. It need to break out and possibly it may give you a stronger bullish breakout on the upside. The target is towards 12,650 first target, 12,700, 12,760 and then 12,820 levels. Remember, these levels we are tracking since last week. Now, if you look at the directional movement is bearish, trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI 2 is trading upwards now. And similarly on the 2-hour charts, if you look at it, is trying to give a breakout. See, possibly higher lows, lower highs. It has to give a breakout, go long about 12,600, and then one can expect that it may try to give you stronger bullish move till towards 12,700, 12,760 and 12,800 levels. In fact, it has the potential to rise till towards 13,000 levels and beyond. The directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic is oversold, and that is why we are looking at greener candles. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI is trading flat right now near to bottom. Similarly on the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts too, it is giving higher lows. See previous candles and this candle on the 3-hour chart, it is clearly getting a support at around 12,500 level. So with the stop loss at 12,500, one can remain long and one can expect it to rise till towards 12,680, 700, and beyond that we may see it hitting 12,800, 900, in fact 13,000 levels in today or maybe this week. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold and we are looking into greener candles. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI is looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart there is a greater resistance at 12,700. We have already said that the 12,650, 700 zone we may find a resistance. On the downside, breaking 12,500, there are supports still towards 12,500, 12,400 zone, which is going to provide a stronger support. Also, it is going to be the lows which we are looking at, which we have seen in the previous few candles last week. So, a couple of candles tried to create lower lows, and the lows of this, so what it is trying to do, it is trying to create higher highs, it is trying to create lower lows. The pivot at around 12,700, it is trying to come back to these levels. So with the stop loss at 12,500, one can remain long. I will be looking forward to 12,700, 12,820, and in fact it can try to hit 13,000 levels before it looks forward to any further retracement. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is oversold now, looking upwards and crossing over for a bullish move. The MACD is wide divergent and it is still bearish. From here it should start converging and we can expect a greener candles. The RSI is looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See lower lows on these candles. Now it is creating a double bottom here at 12,530 levels. With that as support, it is trying to rise. However, higher highs are done. I will recommend you to go long about 12,600. Beyond 12,600, one can expect that it is going to 12,700, and on the upside it can try to attempt 12,820 and 12,900. In fact, can hit till towards 13,000 levels, completely engulfing the previous candle and completely rising and giving it a higher highs today itself. So yes, one can remain long about 12,600. The target is 12,700, which is a stronger resistance, and then 12,760, 12,820 levels. If these three are taken, we can definitely remain long on Nasdaq 100 for further rise till towards 13,000 levels. Directional movement is trading flat without any indication there. The stochastic is oversold, near to oversold levels on the daily charts, and the MACD is trying to converge and cross over. The RSI is trading flat. So one thing is very clear, 12,500 is a very strong support for the day. With that as support, one can remain long for 12,700, 12,760, 12,820 levels. In fact, beyond that, it can rise strongly on the upside till towards 12,920 and 13,000 levels. On the downside, there is going to be support at 12,500 first support. Below 12,500, we have to go short for 12,400, which is going to be a very strong support. I think 12,400, if broken, one has to remain short for the rest of the month. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 12,500 and 12,600. Rather, one can take it as, and beyond 12,600, one can expect it to rise on the upside till towards 12,700, 12,760, 12,820 levels. Always keep trading with the stop loss. Always keep trading with the trailing stop loss. And if not, then keep shifting your stop loss to cost. This is all from my side. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Reach out to me for my training and mentorship coaching details. The next batch is starting on 13th of June and 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support. That is what you will get from these coaching sessions. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead for Nasdaq 100. Now let's have a look at US30. Now look at US30 lower lows in few candles. It has got the consolidation here at 32,900. With that as support, it is trying to rise, and this candle is trying to break out on the upside. Look at this. It has got its next support zone at around 33,050, 33,100 level. This level should get achieved today. At least if it tries to break beyond 33,000, one can remain long above 33,000. One can expect 33,100, and beyond that we can see a strong reversal. See what it is trying to do. It is trying to consolidate here. The breakout on the either side is going to be strong. Once it drops below 32,870, there is going to be a sharper drop, and if it trades above 33,000, there could be a sharper rise. Between these 130 points, we have to be cautious. The directional movement is bullish. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI is trading flat and with a slightly negative slope on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, it is trying to consolidate and give a breakout. See lower highs and higher lows. The next resistance is at around 33,100 levels, 33,050, 33,100, and then beyond that we may see it rising till towards 33,200, 300 zone. So one can go long at 33,000 levels. One can expect that it is going to rise strongly. See, it is trying to give higher lows, and the highs there at 33,300 is giving it a stronger resistance on the 2-hour chart. So I'll be watchful of that. Probably one can remain long on US30 today with the stop loss at 32,900. One can remain long. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is near to bottom. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is trading flat there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see on the 3-hour charts, higher lows, and with that as support, 32,900 as support. It is trying to rise. There is a resistance at 33,000. Once it trades past 33,000, I'll be looking forward to 33,050, 33,100, and then it will rise strongly till towards 33,200 and plus levels. So go along with the stop loss at 32,900, and yes, if it drops below 32,900, I will be again looking forward to a bearish move till towards 32,800, 700, 500 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is near to oversold, hence I will be looking forward to a rise. The MACD is trying to converge and give a bullish move. The RSI is trading flat. I will be looking forward to mostly a bullish move on US30 today. It may try to give you a breakout once it trades above 33,000. Look at the 3-hour candles, lower highs here, and 33,000 is the support. Lower lows is what it is seen. Go short only below 32,900, then you can expect 32,800, and below that we can see a sharper drop till towards 32,700, 32,500 and below levels. On the upside, breaking 33,000, consider that as reversal for 33,100, 33,200 and 240 levels. Beyond that, we can see a sharper rise. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic is near to bottom. It is trying to look upwards. The MACD is trading in a sell side, trying to converge from here. The RSI is also looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts we can see it is given lower lows. It is trying to give higher highs, 33,000 and 32,900. These two levels I will not recommend you to trade. However, once it trades above 33,000, one can expect 33,100, 200, then 240 levels. These two levels I will be watchful of. Then the stronger resistance zone at around 33,300 will come into picture. So yes, one can remain long. Largely I expect we can see a little bullish move till the time US cash market opens. We can see expect it to rise till towards 33,100 200 levels. Largely directional movement is bearish, it is trying to trade flat. The stochastic is in the middle, not bullish neither bearish, trading flat. The MACD is trying to converge on the daily charts. It is bullish right now, it is trying to converge. I'll be watchful of this. And the RSI trading flat. Considering this, only short entry is below 32,900. Till the time it is above 32,900, I'll expect it to hit 33,100, 33,240, and beyond that we may see a stronger rise. And yes, if you see it trading below 32,900, go short for 32,800. First support breaking 32,800, it is going to drop sharply till towards 32,700, 32,500 and below levels. Below 32,400, we have to remain short for the rest of the month. Take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.